Hello guys, today I've got the OnePlus Nord 6 and I'm going to talk about the IP69K water resistance, what it actually means. The OnePlus Nord 6 actually is rated with the IP69K rated protection, which is one of the highest durability ratings available for smartphones. And the IP is Ingress Protection, and this is a standard that measures resistance against both dust and water. The first number is about dust, and 6 means complete dust protection. It means dust tight, and sand and tiny particles can't easily enter the phone. Second number, 9K. 9K is for the water. High pressure and high temperature water resistance. The phone can survive strong water jets, splashing, rain, short accidental water exposure. It's tougher than normal IP67, IP68 phones in water pressure testing. IP69K doesn't mean unlimited underwater use, safe for swimming regularly, saltwater ocean proof, steam and sauna safe forever. Water resistance can weaken over time from drops, heat, wear on seals, and just from the use. What it's actually good for: rainy weather, accidental spills, washing dust mud off lightly, outdoor use, better long-term durability. So avoid oceans, avoid charging while wet, pool even water, and deep underwater recording. So that should be it. Goodbye.